Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we'll map a position-targeted skill. For example, this W skill can be cast at a chosen position within its range. Let's see how to map it. Open the mapping settings, then go to Keyboard. Select Mouse Position Cast and add a new mapping. Assign Key 2 to the skill, then click Add. Next, open the overlay. The overlay looks crowded because many mappings are visible. Use the filter in the upper left corner to choose which mappings are shown. Turn everything off and keep only Key 2. Now it's much clearer. First, move the center circle onto the skill button you want to cast. When you press 2, this is where the touch starts. Let's test it. I'm holding Key 2 now. The skill's cast point now follows the system mouse cursor. But the position still needs calibration. The cursor has moved outside the range, but the cast point stops short. This means the configured cast range is too small. It does not match the skill's actual drag range. Enlarge the range and watch this position. Make the overlay circle match the skill's real drag range as closely as possible. It can still be enlarged a little more. That's about right. Let's test again. Hold Key 2. Move the mouse upward. The cast point can now reach farther outward. However, the system cursor and the skill's cast point are still misaligned. So the range needs to be increased a little more. That's better. But the pointer is still too far right. Drag the corresponding calibration point to the left. Open the overlay and drag it left. The horizontal position now lines up much better. But the pointer is still slightly too far outward. Move the calibration point slightly downward. Like this. Now it looks better. There is still some misalignment closer to the center. How should we correct it? Move the aim origin upward. That's much better. Move the aim origin a little farther up. Then move this point down. The center position now lines up. The outer position also lines up. The upper vertical direction is now calibrated accurately. Next, calibrate the right side. Start with the upper right. The upper right direction already looks close. Now, check the right side. The right side is still misaligned. Move the right side calibration point up and to the right. Use this point. Move it right, then slightly upward. The right side is much better. Move it a little higher. Check the upper right. The right side now lines up. The upper right also lines up. This area is now calibrated. I won't demonstrate every other direction. They all use the same calibration method. Remember these 3 key points. First, match the cast range to the skill's actual touch range as closely as possible. We calibrated the left side earlier. Second, align the aim origin with the character's position. Third, all 8 directions can be calibrated independently. The method is simple. If the pointer is too far right, drag the matching calibration point left. The goal is to align the system cursor with the skill's actual cast position. Those are the 3 essentials. At first, experiment a few times and refine the range. Once configured, the mapping is ready for long-term use. That's all for this tutorial.